Do you find it tough to network with people? To go and talk to strangers? Do you feel different? Do you feel uncomfortable? Yes? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get more comfortable and confident while networking with strangers. Let's get started. Let me tell you my story. I still remember when I first time went to a networking event. It was a BNI meeting, Business Networking International in Bangalore, along with my friend Anurag Gupta. And it was a strange and weird feeling because I was an employee in TCS. All I knew was that computer and keyboard, and I used to meet only with my teammates in my office. And that was a weird feeling. They were all strangers in that meeting, all suited, booted, and all carrying their cards, visiting cards, and introducing each other, shaking hand, hugging. It was a very different feeling for me, and I was not good at it. And in fact, I was feeling very nervous and uncomfortable in that meeting. And now, today is the day where I speak to thousands of people. I am part of Rotary Club. I was a part of BNI Club. I had been to various countries and I met so many people. I meet randomly many people as a part of my profession, and I'm very comfortable speaking to strangers. Now, how that change happened, I'm going to share with you in this video. I followed 3 to 4 things which you can follow as well to get comfortable speaking to any stranger and to get comfortable to network with anyone. So let's understand how can we do it. The first thing which you must understand and which you must digest is when you are meeting a person who is stranger to you or a group of people. The first mistake what we do is we see them as superiors in our eyes. We see them as they are more than us, as they are different people. They are not like us. In our head, we create an image of them as if they are like Prime Minister or President or someone great, and we are someone less. And that's one big reason why we are not comfortable talking to them. We feel we are less than them, and we make them big than us in our eyes. And because there is a lack of self-esteem, there is a lack of self-image, because we are not both equal in position in our perception, we are not comfortable talking to them. So that's the rule number 1. Please understand, you're speaking to humans. They're as human as you are. They're not ghosts. They're not a different breed. They are humans like you. They also have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears. They also have emotions. They also have families like you. They are exactly like you. Don't increase their weightage in your head. See them in the right perspective. When you see them in the right perspective, half of the fear will go. Half of that stress will go. Half of that unknown feeling will go off, because you're speaking to someone who's like your brother or your sister, who's like your family member. So first, see the people in the right perspective. That's a very important tip which I understood after meeting so many people. They are like you. In fact, I've met millionaires and billionaires. They are like you, people like you. When it comes to being a human, they're as human as you are. So see them in the right perspective. That's the step number 1, which I want you to do. Second thing which I did to overcome that feeling of unknown was, even the day before the meeting, I used to visualize the meeting in my head, which means I know what kind of meeting it is. I know what kind of people I can expect. So I used to just close my eyes and I used to visualize the same meeting which I'm going to experience tomorrow. And I used to visualize myself dressed up for the meeting in my head. And I used to see myself smiling, confident, shaking hand with people, with a big smile on my face, happy, enjoying the process. So I started visualizing myself in that meeting before even actually being in the meeting in my head. And I started myself being very comfortable in that meeting in my head. Now what happened was, I've already been to that meeting mentally before even being there physically. So when I go there physically, I already know how it's going to look, and already I know that how I'm going to behave in that meeting. Now that releases a lot of stress, that releases lots of negative thinking automatically, because you already know what kind of ambience, what kind of situation you're going to expect in your head. And when you really face it, you're not nervous. So that's the step number 2. Start yourself visualizing being comfortable in that position which you are going to hold in the real meeting. Okay, that's the step number 2, which you have to apply to overcome that nervousness or that feeling of weirdness while meeting strangers. Now, third step which you can do is you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Now, what is the meaning of this? Which means you have to face a lot of these situations. You have to go and network with as many people as you can, because the more you do it, more comfortable you get. There is no easy way. You cannot get comfortable without meeting people. To get comfortable meeting people, first meet people. Now, how can we do it? It's very simple. Find a lot of platforms where you can go and network with people. I'll recommend some of them. In fact, I'm a part of Rotary Club. Rotary Club is an organization where it serves a lot of poor people. You will see a lot of business owners, professionals coming and meeting together in that meeting. It happens weekly, bi-weekly, and it's free as a guest. You can just go and join as a guest. Join meetings of Rotary Club. Just go to google.com and search Rotary Clubs around me. Just call them and just go and join that meeting. Meet people. BNI, Business Networking International. You can go and join any meeting across the world in BNI just by paying some meeting fees of 500 rupees or maybe 800 rupees, depends on the club. And in that 500 rupees, you get a chance to network with people. You get a chance to have breakfast with them. You can get a chance to interact with them about their business and tell about your business. It's a great opportunity. There are a few more clubs, like you can find a lot of meetups happening around you. There is an app called as Meetup. Go and find meetups around you. You can join some public speaking trainings or public speaking meetups. Go and meet as many people as you can and face it frequently. And the moment you start facing it frequently, you start getting comfortable meeting with strangers, and that is important. Yes. So that's the step number 3. Go and start feeling uncomfortable and be comfortable feeling uncomfortable. Join groups like this. That's the third thing which you should do to become a good speaker. Bonus tip for you in this video is, it's okay to be nervous, but don't show it to them. I understand meeting strangers makes us nervous. I understand we feel uncomfortable when meeting a stranger, but they don't know unless you show. So how do we show nervousness? We show nervousness through our body language. Generally, we start keeping the hands in pocket, we start keeping them back, we start folding them, we start looking up and down, we start rubbing our hands, we start touching our heads, we start doing weird gestures with our body. The rule is very simple. It's okay to be nervous, don't show it to them. Which means when you are speaking to them, look comfortable. Don't make unnecessary gestures with your hands or legs. Don't look up and down, just look in the eyes of people and have a smile on your face while you're talking to them. Give a firm handshake. Don't give a light or don't give so hard handshake. Give a good enough firm handshake, friendly handshake. Look in the eyes of them, have a smile on your face, be open. Don't do anything weird with your body language. Even though you're nervous, if you are able to carry yourself confidently with your body language, with your gestures, people won't know. And this is a skill which you should develop. It's possible. I have done this for thousands of people. You can do as well. So that's the tip. Fourth tip or a bonus tip is, it's okay to be nervous, don't show it to them. Don't do anything weird with your body language or gestures. If you follow these 4 things which I shared with you, you will see you will become comfortable speaking to a group of people. Yeah, first see them in the right perspective. They're humans like you. They're not ghosts. Second, win the meeting in your head first. Before even going on the meeting, visualize you are in the meeting and you're doing good. Feel good. Third thing, join clubs, BNI, Rotary clubs, meetups, and get comfortable. And fourth tip, it's okay to be nervous, don't show it to them. If you apply these 4 tips, you will be very comfortable in any kind of meeting any number of people and all strangers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For any questions, any topics, please mention in the comment section below. Saurabh Chharia here. See you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.